MICROMAX Canvas 6, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use Fonts Dialer and let's activate the first secret code. So let's open the engineering mode. So you have to use this code *## 36466633 ###. That's it, the engineer mode just pops up. Here you can use telephony section to use auto answer. To select band mode, you can see LTE information right here. You can also check out the network info, or for example use the SBP. You can also open connectivity to see Bluetooth, Wi-Fi information. You can see the hardware testing to test the audio, camera, display, memory, SD card, sensors and other stuff. You can see location settings, log and debugging, or others such as the USB ACM. Alright, let's go back to quit the engineering mode. You can also use here the Android testing menu, so all you have to do is use this code *## 4636 *##. That's it, the Android testing menu just pops up. Here you can check out phone information, so you can read the email, the current network, signal strength. You can run a ping test, or you can use more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, or get PDP list. You can also go back here and use the battery information. Here you can see the battery status, power plug, battery level, or for example the battery temperature. Use back key, and here you can also use usage statistics. So here we've got the information about our apps. You can see last time used or usage time right here. Use back key, and here you can also check out Wi-Fi information. You can select Wi-Fi API when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks, or get connection info. Use back key again, and to quit the Wi-Fi information you can go back, or you can also here use Wi-Fi config to see configured networks, or you can check out Wi-Fi status. That's it. Let's go back a couple of times and you quit the Android testing menu, and let's open the calendar info. So we need to use this code *## 225 *##. As you can see, calendar info pops up. So here you can read information about your events and other stuff from your calendar. Alright, use back key again to quit this mode, and let me open Google Play services. So let's use this code *## 426 *##. The Google Play services pops up, so here you can read ping, connect, disconnect events, or other stuff from your Google Play. Let's go back again, and this time let me open Debug Ui menu. So let's use *## 759 *##, and Debug Ui just pops up. Here you can view clients IDs or change OEM mode. Use back key to quit this mode, and at the end let me show you how to open the email mode. Let's just use *## 06 #, and the email mode just pops up. Tab OK to close this window. So that's it, you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.